Situated on an oversized wooded cul-de-sac lot in Greatwood Forest sits 7931 Autumn Trail. Come on in and let me show you this fabulous home. We are proud to present this beautifully updated home with over 3,500 square feet of living space, featuring 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. As you enter the home, you are welcomed by a 2-story entry flanked by a study with French doors and the formal dining room with decorative crown and chair moldings. With hardwood floors throughout the first floor living areas, the spacious living room has tall ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, and a gas-connected stacked stone fireplace. The open kitchen with breakfast bar seating is a chef's dream with granite counters, tiled backsplash, and stainless steel appliances, including double ovens. The owner's suite is spacious with a sitting area, while the upgraded owner's bath has dual sinks, granite counters, a soaking tub with a separate glass frame shower, wood tile, and a large walk-in closet. The upstairs game room is a great spot to host family game or movie nights with hardwood floors and windows overlooking the backyard. The 3 secondary bedrooms are spacious with tall ceilings and window blinds, while the 2 full baths are both updated with granite and quartz counters. The back-covered patio, along with a 2-tiered wooden deck, is perfect for family gatherings, and there's plenty of backyard space for kids and pets to play. You'll love it here in Greatwood as it's close to many shopping and dining destinations, as well as easy access to Highway 59 and Grand Parkway. Call us today to make 7931 Autumn Trail your new home.